Information overflow on social media as well. Along with current affairs, there is a lot of content related to the examination, and there are a lot of interviews that are related to the examination, and people who already appeared for the examination and taught the exams. Do you think this, looking forward to these interviews, does it show any impact on the aspirant? How does it
See,
affect them?
basically, it is like this. If you are preparing, when you start preparing, you can go through a few videos of toppers. They will help you, but you have to be in a position to understand what is important for you and what is not. Because if a topper is saying that I have studied for 16 hours a day, every day, it is practically not possible. So you should be able to analyze and rationalize what is being given to you, even if it is anybody, including me. If I'm telling something to you, think about it and then use it. See, a sensible aspirant is one who is able to take all the information that comes to him, think about it, assess what is practical, assess what is applicable to him, and pick up only those suggestions. So you can see the topper speak for the initial few days of your preparation, because that gives you a perception of the exam. But beyond that, I would not request them to go through, because after that it is about your understanding of the exam, you scrutinizing your preparation, and you changing your strategy, molding your strategy, keeping in mind your positives and negatives. As you keep going through on this journey, you realize that this is my strength, this is my weakness, this is where I'm failing. So you have to keep them in mind and accordingly improvise on your strategy. So once you start preparing, once you're into it, it is more about yourself than what the topper did. Because the logic here is simple. Just because I take a topper strategy and I start preparing accordingly, there is no guarantee that I'll crack the exam. The strategy might have worked for him, but there is no guarantee that it will work for you. In fact, civil services is an exam where one strategy will not work for everybody. It is not a benchmark at all. Everybody should have their own strategy, because everybody's strengths and weaknesses are different, and you have to strategize according to your strengths and weaknesses.